This is Baingan Bharta. You have to take a big brinjal and you have to just keep it on the fire for at least 5 minutes. See, this is being completely, I have cooked it already, but I am just showing to you. So you have to keep this way and it will be completely cooked. This recipe will just take you to cook maximum, it will be taking only 10-15 minutes. See, now this is completely cooked and I am keeping it aside. See, on all the sides you can see, if you touch and see, you will see this, there will be a cracks. You can even remove and see whether it has been cooked or not. This is hot now, but after some time you can just remove and see. The ingredients for the Baingan Bharta. See, I have taken a small ball of tamarind. The tamarind you have to take as per your need. So mine is like this much. For this is the ingredients for 2 people. So you have to take soak the tamarind. Then I took 2 tomatoes, 1 big onion, and the chilies. Red chili dried one is the main chili ingredient in this Baingan Bharta. So basically it is as per the taste of the chili. If the chili is less, if it is having less karam or something, you have to take less, or it is more. So I normally take 11 to 12 chilies, and here because the Baingan is a small one, like you get even big ones, this is a small one, so I am adding here 2 tomatoes and 1 onion. You can, if the Baingan is going to be very big, you can just do with the Baingan at all. These both are not required, but it will of course add to taste if you are going to have tomato and onion, and it will be more flushy and muffy and all those things. Okay, so you can decide either if you want onion or if you want tomato, or either both of them. That is your choice, but I normally take both of them together with Baingan Bharta. See, now I have cut the tomatoes into small slices. You have to cut into small slices because it should not be too big. It should be in a small cube. Similarly, the onion also has to be cut this way. And see that the chilies you are going to break into small pieces. So these are those 13 to 14 chilies or whatever as per your taste. Now, for seasoning, I have taken mustard seeds a little, and this is chana ka dal, or you see this is chana dal, and this is groundnuts. Basically in Maharashtra there is more of groundnuts, and this Baingan Bharta, it's not a South Indian dish. So being a Maharashtrian dish, they normally prefer groundnuts in most of their items or whatever they cook. So this is these are the ingredients for seasoning. Now see, I have removed this all the skin of the Baingan which I had already kept for burning. You can, even if some is there, that is fine, because the tandoori taste will be very good. Now what I'll do, I'll just smash this, because when you smash it will get equally binded in the bharta. So you have to smash it. Just you see, you take it in a bowl and smash it maximum how you want to do, or even you can cut into pieces like that, but that I have tried that, but the pieces does not get binded and it remains separated in the bharta. So if we are going to smash this, it will be properly mixed throughout in the bharta. So I have smashed it, and it will be this way. Okay. And don't try chili powder for chili, because it tastes not good. So you have to use only dried red chilies. Now the oil, as I have kept 1 tablespoon of oil in the kadai, and I am putting these ingredients which I have kept for seasoning one by one. It will be once this is going to splutter, we have to fry a little, at least for 2-3 seconds, so that the groundnuts get fried properly. As once it gets fried properly, it will be cooked also properly. So let it fry for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Just keep the gas in medium, because if it is too high then this may burn also. It should not be burning, it should just be red and it should get fried. So you should know the consistency. Now I'll take the chilies from here and I'm putting the chilies. So I'll fry the chilies. Then normally when you fry the chilies, it has a raw smell. We normally fry anything to burn out the raw smell which it is having. So we fry it in the oil. So we will know, like within 2 seconds the chili would have been fried. You can hear the splurting sound of the mustard. Now I put the onion. You don't have to put extra oil just because it has to fry deeply. No need. Me at home use very little oil. So it is just 1 tablespoon of oil will be more than sufficient. See, you can see this oil mixed with also. So now you have to fry the onion also in the same thing. I put the tomato and the tomato has been fried a little and you will see the quantity has been reduced as before. See, now I have removed the whole pulp of it and it is just the remains of the tamarind, and I have made this tamarind water this way. Now you have to pour this tamarind water here. So just mix it thoroughly. Now you can increase the flame of the gas to medium. Once it will start to boil, you have to put haldi powder, salt as per the intensity of the salt taste. So I actually this is put 1.5 because the salt is not so salty. Then you can take asafoetida or hing, we call this, or perungayam in Tamil. You just put that, and every time when you put, just give a turn for the whole thing so that it gets thoroughly and equally with the ingredients together. Now let it come to a boil, then we will put the bangan on top of it. Now the bangan, the one which we had cooked, it is there. Now we will be only putting it in the last stage when this has come down to half, because this bangan is already cooked, so we don't have to recook or overcook it. So only you have to, when you are going to finish this, you can just put this bangan and let it boil for 2-3 seconds. This bangan bharta can be used with chapatis, bhakris, even rice, and you can have some side dish like papad, naplam if you are only using this bangan bharta and rice. So this has been cooked. Now it is ready to remove. So the bangan bharta is ready here. This does not need any garnishings like kadi patta or kothmeer. It is just a very simple ingredient which we can do with whatever we have at home. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, subscribe if you want.